Hello guys, welcome back to ITeePK. Today we will see quick steps on how to remove devices linked to your Gmail or how to sign out all devices from your Gmail account. In the last video we have seen the same steps using Android phone, but today I decided to show you the same steps on a computer or a laptop. We could also remove, unlink, or sign out your old or lost devices from your Gmail account. This will also improve your Gmail account security. So if you can see my screen in the browser, let's go to gmail.com. We will first sign in to gmail.com with our Gmail ID that is connected to the devices either from mobile or from computer, right? These devices includes all devices, either it's mobile or computer. Okay, now I got two-step verification code on my mobile phone. Let me approve this code for a successful sign in. Also, please make sure your Gmail account are protected with this multi-factor authentication. This also improves your account security up to 80%. So once you are signed in into your account, go to your profile picture, and in your profile picture you have the option manage your Google account. Let's go to manage your Google account. Once we are in manage your Google account, directly go to security. In the security tab, please scroll down to devices option where you could see the devices. Here you go. Here I can see all of the devices, either it's computer or it's mobile phone. Let's go to manage all devices here. Okay, now let's say here we want to remove any device from our Gmail account, right? If you see here, we have removed this device yesterday using an Android phone. Now let's say we want to move this device from our Gmail account using this computer or laptop. So simply go to sign out, and then this will ask you sign out on this mobile phone. This will remove access to your Google account from the device. That's fine. We want it to sign out. Okay, we have signed out from one more device using our laptop or computer. So let's say we still want to remove one more device, that is Windows device. I also want to show you that we could remove the mobile devices, either it's Apple, either it's Android or it's Windows device. Let's go ahead into Windows device and let's sign out this Windows device. So we have unlinked our Gmail account from our old Windows device also. That's it about today's simple, quick, and to the point tutorial on how to remove, sign out, or unlink devices from your Gmail account. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.